Small Bathroom Design Trends 2025. Small bathroom design in 2025 is all about maximizing function without sacrificing personality. Minimalism still reigns, but small bathroom spaces are getting a lot bolder with finishes and textures. Floating vanities are dominating small bathroom designs for their sleek look and extra floor space. In small bathroom storage, integrated shelving and recessed niches are now more stylish and subtle. 2025 small bathroom palettes lean into warm neutrals, think sand, clay, and rich cream tones. Smart mirrors in small bathrooms now come with anti-fog, LED lighting, and voice assist functions. Matte black and brushed brass are the two biggest finish trends for small bathroom fixtures this year. Micro tiles are back in fashion for small bathroom backsplashes and shower walls, tiny but impactful. Nature-inspired textures like stone and wood are elevating the coziness of the small bathroom in 2025. A popular trend in small bathroom design is wrapping the entire room in tile for a seamless look. Wall-mounted toilets are increasingly common in small bathroom remodels to save precious inches. Color is making a comeback in small bathroom vanities. Dusty blues and forest greens are big hits. Small bathroom lighting now combines form and function, with statement sconces becoming a must. Skylights and solar tubes are transforming small bathrooms with natural light, even in windowless spaces. Glass shower partitions are still in, but fluted glass is a hot new option for small bathroom privacy. Dual-use features are trending, like mirrors with storage or towel warmers built into small bathroom walls. For floor space, large format tiles make the small bathroom appear more expansive and polished. In 2025, tech is entering small bathroom design with app-controlled showers and touchless faucets. Vertical design is key. Think tall cabinets, high hooks, and ladder shelving in small bathroom spaces. Maximalist wallpaper is being used in small bathrooms to create an unexpected focal point. Pocket doors and barn sliders are space-saving alternatives in cramped small bathroom layouts. Curbless showers are trending for accessibility and flow in small bathroom configurations. Warm LED lighting strips under vanities and around mirrors are brightening up small bathroom corners. Natural materials like travertine and lime wash are being favored in eco-conscious small bathrooms. Vintage finds, like retro mirrors or Art Deco faucets, are being mixed into modern small bathrooms. Tiny pedestal sinks are back, making them perfect for ultra-compact small bathroom powder rooms. In small bathroom ceilings, painted designs or wood cladding add vertical interest and surprise. Multifunctional furniture, like benches with storage, is being cleverly used in small bathroom zones. Even shower heads are getting smarter in 2025 small bathrooms, adjusting water flow and temperature. Transparent storage containers are trending in small bathroom drawers for a neat, visible system. Wall-hung cabinetry is ideal for a clean and airy small bathroom vibe with less floor clutter. Color blocking techniques help define zones within a single small bathroom, like shower and vanity areas. Texture is huge. Linen curtains, woven baskets, and tactile tiles enrich any small bathroom atmosphere. 2025 small bathroom mirrors are more geometric. Round, oval, even asymmetric shapes are in. Bathroom artwork is no longer taboo. Small bathrooms now showcase bold prints and gallery walls. Compact bathtubs are making a comeback in luxe small bathroom redesigns, deep, narrow, and sleek. Sustainability is top of mind in small bathroom materials, recycled tiles, bamboo, and VOC-free paints. Monochromatic schemes in small bathrooms add depth, especially in shades like warm gray or sage green. Hidden plumbing and invisible drains are helping small bathroom designs feel cleaner and less cluttered. Many homeowners are adding greenery, hanging plants, and wall-mounted pots in small bathroom corners. Mirrored wall panels are used to double the visual size of a small bathroom with elegance. Open shelving is trending again, especially in small bathrooms that lean toward boho or minimalist vibes. Statement hardware, like oversized pulls or sculptural knobs, is giving small bathroom cabinetry a lift. In 2025, the best small bathroom designs make every inch count without compromising on charm.